New data from the CDC shows the Delta variant is much more contagious than previously thought. CBS News has confirmed a Washington Post report of an internal CDC document. It says the variant may spread as quickly as chickenpox.
New data that we've seen just in the last several days, but corroborated several times, is that if you are vaccinated and you are one of those rare breakthrough infections, you actually have the capacity to pass it to somebody else.
That document states the CDC must publicly acknowledge the war has changed. It argues the agency has struggled to persuade the public to embrace vaccination and preventative measures like mask wearing. We talked to a public health expert at UC Berkeley. He says we need to see the data that supports the CDC information on how the Delta variant spreads.
The bad news is that it means that fully vaccinated people, some of the fully vaccinated people, get infected. We'll see more breakthroughs. Those breakthroughs, yes, will be mild. They're not going to wind up in the hospital. And they may be able to transmit. So that means we're going to have to change our behavior a little bit.
And looking live at SFO, the spread of the Delta variant is top of mind for a lot of travelers right now. KPIX5 Justin Andrews is there talking to people who are headed out of town this weekend.
Even with this Delta variant seeing a surge, it's still a very busy travel day here at SFO. It's top of mind for so many people. Some are scared, others cautiously optimistic. Disturbing data about the Delta variant isn't stopping hundreds, if not thousands of travelers at SFO.
I feel good.
Okay.
Yeah, I feel strong and healthy, vaccinated.
Let me tell you what, fully vaccinated, I'm feeling pretty confident in traveling today.
As travelers trickle in, the CDC reveals Delta spreads as easily as chickenpox, which is one of the most transmissible viruses out there. That data also finds Delta may be just as easy for vaccinated people to spread as the unvaccinated.
I'm a little bit nervous about it. I think it's coming back, and I feel like we all did our best in the first variant, and now because some of us aren't masked up, it's coming back again.
The CDC director says with each person infected with Delta, they can infect 8 or 9 others on average. That's alarming to medical experts.
This is what we're built to do. We're built to defend this stuff.
The best defense? The vaccine, doctors say.
As a scientist, I have full faith in the CDC, and I am a proponent for the vaccine.
You do the best you can.
And you think the best thing right now is to stay vaccinated, get vaccinated? Would you say that?
Absolutely get vaccinated and wear a mask. I mean, keep us all safe.
Now, all of that new data you heard in my report there is the driving force behind the CDC, really just urging all Americans to wear a mask, regardless if you're vaccinated or not, indoors. At SFO, Justin Andrews, KPIX5.
And if you're planning to head to Vegas this weekend, a heads up for you, Nevada is now requiring masking up there. Another popular spot, reinstating the mandate outdoors, Disneyland, regardless of your vaccination status.